Okay, so in last class we saw about the chessboard, right? So we understood what is a file, that is a standing line, right? And what is a rank, sleeping line, okay? And then A file, B file, C file, D, E, F, G, H files, and then first, second, third rank, fourth rank, fifth rank, sixth rank, seventh rank, eighth rank. So today, and then we also learned last class the important rule, light square to the right hand side. Only then we have arranged the chessboard correctly. Okay, so today we are going to learn about pieces. So first we will place the chessboard, and then we will make sure to our right hand side there is a light square. Then now we are going to arrange the pieces, right, to play the game. So first I will be telling you the pieces, then you can repeat, okay, later. For now you be on mute. So this is called, can you see this, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, be on mute. So this is called rook. R-O-O-K, rook. Okay. So be on mute and then just listen. I will make everyone repeat it, okay? So this is rook. Rook. Okay. So this is knight. So we call it horse, right? So but in chess terms we call this knight. K-N-I-G-H-T. Knight. Okay. So this is a rook. This piece is knight. Okay. And then we call this bishop. Okay, so some people call it minister and all in right when you start learning chess, but in chess terms, since we are learning it professionally, we call this bishop. Okay, so we'll do this. This is rook, knight, bishop. I'll repeat again: rook, knight, bishop. Rook, knight, bishop. Okay, so this is how your piece will be there. When you buy a chess set, tournament chess set, your bishop, white bishop will be like this. Okay, white rook will be like this. Okay, so white knight will be like this. Okay, now let's look at it here. Okay, this is online format. So this becomes the rook. Okay, and this is knight. So this is how it will be. So it's a horse head, but we call it knight. And then this piece is bishop. So we have rook, knight, and bishop. Okay. So is everyone there? 5, 6, 7, 8. What happened to this? Okay. Who's this? Sai. Okay. So we'll start with Sai. Sai, repeat after me. Rook. Sai, you can unmute and repeat after me. Rook. Knight.
Knight.
Bishop.
Bishop.
Can you do it again? Rook.
Rook.
Knight.
Knight.
Bishop.
Bishop.
Okay, be on mute. Aldrin.
Yes, ma'am.
Rook.
Rook.
Knight.
Knight.
As you are telling, I want you to see the screen. I want everyone to see the screen so that you identify this is a knight. Okay. Knight. Tell.
Knight.
Bishop.
Bishop.
So can you do it again? Rook.
Rook.
Knight.
Knight.
Bishop.
Bishop.
Next, Anirudh.
Ma'am.
Rook.
Rook.
Knight.
Knight.
bishop.
bishop,
Again, rook,
rook,
knight,
knight,
bishop.
bishop,
Okay, Isha, others be on mute. Rook,
rook,
knight,
knight,
bishop.
bishop,
Rook,
rook,
knight,
knight,
bishop.
bishop,
Okay, Kashvi, rook.
rook, knight, bishop,
Wait. Is this a knight? No. So you repeat after me. I want you to see this. This is a rook, so that you identify. Okay. Let's not run. Okay. Rook,
rook,
knight,
knight,
bishop.
bishop,
As you are telling bishop, I want you to see this bishop so that you will be able to identify. You won't forget it. Okay. Again, rook,
rook,
knight,
knight,
bishop.
bishop,
Okay. Piyush, rook,
rook,
knight,
knight,
bishop.
bishop,
Again, rook,
rook,
knight,
knight,
bishop.
bishop,
Okay, Shanvika, rook,
rook,
knight,
knight,
bishop.
bishop,
Rook,
rook,
knight,
knight,
bishop.
bishop,
Shravan, rook,
rook,
knight,
knight,
bishop.
bishop,
Again, rook,
rook,
knight,
knight,
bishop.
bishop.
Okay, so be on mute. I will see if others have joined. No. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so now let's look at here. Okay, so this is a rook. Okay, this is our rook will be here. Okay, in this online chessboard. But when you are having a real chessboard and when you are playing, then your rook will be like this. Okay, so black will be of black in color. So this kind of rook, it will have black, so that would be black rook. Okay, so this is a white rook. So for pieces we will say white and black. For squares, you remember we said light, dark, but for pieces we use the term white piece, and then black piece. White rook, black rook. White knight, black. So this would be white knight. So similarly, this is a black knight. Okay. So this is a white bishop. So these all are, this is a black bishop. So black bishop will look like this. Okay. So this is a white bishop. Okay. So that is the difference. So in online board, the rook will be like this. Okay. And then the knight. So this is knight. And this is bishop. Okay. So these are all white in color. Okay. Be on mute, everyone. These are all white in color. Same way here. So this is a black rook, black knight, and then black bishop. Okay, so I hope you got this. So one is white in color, one is black in color. White, black. Okay, so this is rook, this is knight, and then this one is called bishop. Okay, so now let's learn this. This is king. So king will, oh wait, queen. So queen will have this petal kind of things. Okay, first we will learn queen, then we will go for king. Okay, so this is queen. Okay, this piece is queen. This is king. King will have the plus sign. Okay, queen will be like this. It will have that flowery, that kind of petal. Okay, so this piece is called queen. So black queen will be somewhat like this. Okay, So this is white queen. Okay. This is king. So king will have plus on its top like a crown. Okay. It will have plus symbol. Okay. And then this is a pawn. Queen, king, pawn. Okay. Queen, king, pawn. So we'll start from here. Rook, knight, bishop, queen, king, pawn. I will do it again, then I will start asking you. Okay. Rook, knight, bishop, queen, king, pawn. Okay. Pawn. Pawn. Okay. So rook, knight, bishop, queen, king, pawn. So if you see in this board, this is
Ma'am.
rook, knight, bishop. Please be on
Ma'am.
mute. I will finish. Then you can ask me the question. Okay, I'll definitely ask you. Okay, just be on mute for
Yeah.
now.
Screen is not visible, ma'am.
Then you I mean you exit and you come back to the same link. I think for others, I think is it
Okay.
visible?
Ma'am,
Exit
sorry to join late, ma'am.
from next time. Don't be late. Just listen. Be on mute and listen. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So for everyone else, can you see the screen? Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
then
ma'am.
Sai. Okay, be on mute, everyone. Sai, then you exit and you come back to the same link. I think then
Yes,
it
ma'am.
will be solved. Okay. Others be on mute. This is queen, king, and then this is a pawn. Okay, same for the black. Black queen, black king, and then the black pawn. Okay. Is it solved? Sai, can you see? Okay, so Kashmir be on mute, everyone be on mute. Okay, so we learned this, right? So rook, just look at the piece, everyone be on mute. As I'm telling, I want you to hear the word and see the picture. Okay, so that we don't forget this. Okay, rook, knight, bishop, queen, king, pawn. Okay, so here this is the rook. These two are rooks. Okay, this is white rook, black rook. White knight, black knight. White bishop, black bishop. White queen, black queen. White king, black king. White pawn, and then black pawn. Okay, so I will start asking you guys question. Okay, so we will start from. Okay, so Aldrin, now you have to tell me which piece is this.
Rook.
Very good. Is it a white rook or a black rook?
White rook, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So one more question to you. Which piece is this?
Queen.
Okay, specifically tell if this is a white queen or a black queen.
Black queen.
Okay, good. Be on mute. So now, Anirudh, which piece is this? So you try to remember and tell. If not, we will do it again, no problem. So which piece is this? Can you unmute? Are you there? Okay. You be on mute, Anirudh. Oh, I think you are getting help from your parents, right? To unmute. Are they near to you? Okay. Isha, which piece is this?
This is black queen, ma'am.
Very good. Super. Okay. So which piece is this?
This is a white rook, ma'am.
Very good. So next, Kashvi. Which piece is this?
This is pawn, ma'am.
Okay, which pawn? Black pawn or white pawn?
Black pawn, ma'am.
Very good. And this one?
This is bishop, ma'am.
Okay, specifically which bishop?
White, ma'am.
Very good. So this is a white bishop. So you can make sentence like that. Okay. Next, Piyush. Which piece is this?
Ma'am.
This one.
Black knight, ma'am.
Very good. This is a black knight. Okay. Which piece is this? Wait. Okay. Which piece is this?
White king, ma'am.
Very good. Next, Shanvika. Which piece
Yes,
is
ma'am.
this?
This is white queen, ma'am.
This one?
This is white. This is black.
Black?
Bishop.
Very good. Black bishop. Okay. So now the question is for Shravan. Others be on mute. Which piece is this, Shravan?
Black king.
Black king. Okay. So, okay. Which piece is this?
White pawn.
Okay. Very good. So, did I miss anyone? Okay, Pooja, are you there? Pooja? Which piece is this, Pooja? Did you join late? Can you unmute and speak? Okay. So, okay, everyone be on mute. So now we are going to know these pieces in order. Okay, so this is the order. Okay, I will make you repeat it. First, for now, know this. Okay, rook, knight, bishop, queen, king, pawn. Rook, knight, bishop, queen, king, pawn. I'll do it again. Just observe it carefully and also look at the piece as I'm telling its name. Okay, so it would be helpful. Rook, knight, bishop, queen, king, pawn. Okay, so now we are going to repeat the pieces in this order. We are going to do one by one. So we'll start with Aldrin. So Aldrin, repeat after me. Rook. Can you unmute?
Rook.
Knight.
Knight.
Bishop.
Bishop.
Queen.
Queen.
King.
King.
Pawn.
Pawn.
Okay, can you do it again? Rook.
Rook.
Knight.
Knight.
Bishop.
Bishop.
Queen.
Queen.
King.
King.
Pawn.
Pawn.
Okay, Anirudh, can you unmute? Others be on mute. Anirudh?
Ma'am.
Okay, good. Rook.
Rook.
Knight.
Knight.
Bishop.
Bishop.
Queen.
Queen.
King.
King.
Pawn.
Pawn.
Again, let's do it again. Rook.
Rook.
Knight.
Knight.
Bishop.
Bishop.
Queen.
Queen.
King.
King.
Pawn.
Pawn.
Okay, Isha, repeat after me. Others be on mute. Rook,
Rook.
knight,
Knight.
bishop,
Bishop.
queen,
Queen.
king,
King.
pawn.
Pawn.
Isha, again, rook,
Rook.
knight,
Knight.
bishop,
Bishop.
queen,
Queen.
king,
King.
pawn.
Pawn.
Okay, be on mute. Next, Kashvi, repeat after me. Rook,
Rook.
knight,
Knight.
bishop,
Bishop.
queen,
Queen.
king,
King.
pawn.
Pawn.
Again, rook,
Rook.
knight,
Knight.
bishop,
Bishop.
queen,
Queen.
king,
King.
pawn.
That.
Okay,
Pawn.
Leksha. Leksha. Rook.
Yes, ma'am. Rook.
Okay, repeat after me as you are seeing these pieces. Okay, rook,
Rook.
knight,
Knight.
bishop,
Bishop.
queen,
Queen.
king,
King.
pawn.
Pawn.
Do it again. Rook,
Rook.
knight,
Knight.
bishop,
Bishop.
queen,
Queen.
king,
King.
pawn.
Pawn.
Next, Piyush. Rook, Piyush, are you there? Can you unmute? Okay, can you speak? Rook, okay, I'll come to you after. Okay, so you try to figure out what's wrong with your mic. Next, Pooja, repeat. Rook, are you there, Pooja? Okay, Shanvika, I think it's
Yes,
raining there. Okay, it's raining, so there might be some internet issues. Okay, Rook,
Rook.
knight,
Knight.
bishop,
Bishop.
queen,
Queen.
king,
King.
pawn.
Pawn.
Do it again. Rook,
Rook.
knight,
Knight.
bishop,
Bishop.
queen,
Queen. Queen.
king,
King.
pawn.
Pawn.
Okay, Shravan. Rook,
Rook.
knight,
Knight.
bishop,
Bishop.
queen,
Queen.
king,
King.
pawn.
Pawn.
Okay, look at this and repeat. Rook,
Rook.
knight,
Knight.
bishop,
Bishop.
queen,
Queen.
king,
King.
pawn.
Pawn.
So, okay, this is the order. Okay, so everyone be on mute. This is the order. Rook, then we will arrange the knights. Okay, we have two rooks for white and two rooks for black. Then two knights for white, two knights for black. And then we do with bishop, two bishops, two bishops. Okay, and then we will put the queen. Then we will place the king. And then in front, we will arrange the pawns. Okay, so before going to the arrangement, I will show you one exercise, small exercise. We will do that. Then we will try to arrange the chessboard. Okay, like initial position means starting position. Okay, before that we will do this. So I will give two examples. So if I keep like this, then you should answer black queen, okay, on e5. Okay, so you have to tell, first thing you have to mention if it is a black or a white piece. Okay, black, then this is a queen. Okay, and it is on e5, and then this is a dark square. Okay, let's leave the dark square for now since we did it last time. So I hope you know what is a light square, which is a dark square, right? So let's do this. Black queen on e5. Okay, so if I give you the position like this, then you have to tell me white king on d5. Okay, so this will help you in future. Okay, this exercise. So for now we will do this, then I will I will teach you how to arrange the chessboard. Okay, so we will start from Aldrin. Okay, so tell for this, Aldrin.
Black knight.
Okay,
F5.
on f5. Okay, it is on the square which is named f5. Okay, so do one more. Okay, tell for this.
White queen. D6.
Okay, white queen on d.
6.
Okay, white queen on d6. Okay, very good. So next, Anirudh.
Ma'am.
Tell for this. So you have to tell me first which piece is this specifically. Okay, which color, which piece, and it is on which square.
D7, ma'am.
Okay, first tell me the piece. Who is on d7?
Black, dark rook, ma'am.
We don't say dark rook. We will say black. Only for squares, we will say light, dark. For pieces, we will be using white and black. Okay, so this is a black rook on d7. Okay, do one more. So if I give you like this, you have to tell black rook on d7. Okay, so this is d7. Okay, so do for this,
Rook,
Anirudh.
D7.
So how do you tell for this?
White square on F5.
White square, no. White knight. Okay, white knight
White knight on
f5.
F5.
Okay, white knight on f5. Very good. Next, Isha.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell for this.
This is black rook. It is on D3.
Okay. Now,
This is black pawn. It is on H3.
okay. So for simply, I mean, easily you can say black pawn on h3. Okay. So next, Kashvi.
More 29 minutes. More 29 minutes. Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, you tell for this.
Oh. G1, ma'am.
E1. No. Tell correctly. So which piece is that? What is
White
the name?
knight, ma'am.
White knight
White knight
on which square?
on G1.
Very good. Okay, you do one more. So how do you tell for this?
H8, black
No, first you
bishop.
tell. Black bishop on.
H8, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Black bishop on h8. Okay. So next, Leksha.
Yes, ma'am.
How do you tell this?
Ma'am, no, a white bishop on E. E2. E2, ma'am.
White bishop on E2. Then how do you tell for this?
Ma'am, black king on C7.
Black king on
C7.
C7. Very good. Okay, next.
Senator.
Pooja, can you unmute? Piyush, which piece is this? How do you
White
tell?
pawn, white pawn on G4, ma'am.
Okay, very good. This one?
White queen on D2, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Shanvika,
Yes, ma'am.
answer for this.
Black knight on F7.
Okay, very good. Now,
White king on C1.
white king on C1. Very good. Shravan,
Black rook C2, ma'am.
okay, black rook on C2. How do you tell for this? So which piece is that? First tell the name of that piece. Are you there? So this is a white pawn and it is on which square?
No square.
Which letter is this?
H8, ma'am.
So how do you tell this?
White pawn H8, ma'am.
White pawn on H8. Okay, very good. So now let's learn to arrange the chessboard. Okay, be on mute everyone. Pooja, unmute பண்ண முடியறதா? Pooja, உனக்கு இங்கிலீஷ்ல புரியுறதா?
I'm sorry.
You are?
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, can you understand what I'm teaching?
They are not coming, ma'am.
You do one thing. You exit from the meeting and again go and join back in the link which I have given in the group. Okay, so maybe you can.
Ma'am, I do, ma'am. It's not coming.
Then I think you should update Microsoft Teams. That you can do after this class. Okay, so for now I will give the recordings in the description. Okay, so next class at the end of the session you stay for 10 more minutes, not today, next class. Okay, so meanwhile I'll help you to meanwhile do the update and all. Okay, so next class at the end I will teach you again this one. Okay, this thing. So now you be on mute. I don't know what happened to Sai. Okay, so be on mute. I think you have to update Microsoft Teams, or I think you have to shut down and come back. Maybe try that. Shut down the laptop or computer and then Turn it on. Okay, so others, listen this is very important. Okay, so before we start playing chess, we will first place the chessboard. Always make sure this is light. Okay, if not, it is wrong. You have to correct it. Second thing, we will place pieces. So we learned, right? Rook, knight, bishop, queen, king, and then pawns, right? That is what we will place. First, we have to see first rank. Okay, this side, first rank, white player will be sitting. Note that. And in the 8th rank, right, this side here, black player will be sitting. So if you are arranging white pieces, so it will start with first rank. So first, second, third, and fourth are white's area. Okay, we can say like that. 5, 6, 7, 8 are black's area. Okay, so when we are arranging white pieces, you have to arrange in the first rank. Okay, so first we take the rook. Wait. So this is clear. Now we take the rook and then we put it here and here. This is the place for the rooks. There are two rooks for white. So white rook here on A1 and then H1. Then what did we learn? We learned about knight. So first is rook. You put it on both the corner. And then you have to take the knight and put it here. So one knight will be here on B1, another knight on G1. Okay, rook, knight, and then we have to place bishops. Okay, so one on C1 and one on F1. So this is bishop. That is why we learned rook, knight, bishop. So this is how we arrange. So put rooks on both the corner. After that put knights, then bishop. Then you are left with two squares. Okay, in that, so we learnt queen first. The reason we learnt queen first is when you place the queen correctly, you will obviously place the king also in the right place. Okay, so queen, this is a white queen. Okay, and it will come only on the light square. So there are only two squares left. Okay, so one is for queen. So the queen will come here on the light square. White queen on light square. So you should imagine a queen. Okay, she is wearing a light dress and she is wearing white color crown, white color slippers, and she is walking on a white color floor. Okay, if you imagine like that, then it would be correct. Okay, because the queen on the initial or the starting position before you play the game, right? When you are arranging the chessboard, the white queen will always come on the light square. Okay, that is the correct way of arranging. And this left over place. Okay, so this is an empty box, right? See here, this is the empty square, and here the king will come. So this is how we arrange. First rooks, then we will put the knights, then we will put the bishops, and then white queen on light square, and then this place is for the king. Okay, and then there are 8 pawns. Okay, so when you start, you have to place all the 8 white pawns in the second rank. So now you know what is second rank. This is second rank, and in this second rank, all the 8 pawns will come. Okay, same way we are going to arrange for the black. Okay, so first you put the rooks and then you take the knights, put both the knights, and then you put both the bishops. Then you will be left with 2 squares, and then you take the black queen and put it on the dark square. Okay, white queen on the light square and black queen on the dark square, and this place is for the king. So you have to imagine this queen is wearing everything black and she is walking on a black floor. Okay, so if you imagine like that, you put this queen on the dark square. Okay, and then this place is for the king. Then you take the pawns and drop it here. 8 pawns. So this is how we arrange the chessboard. Okay, I will do it again. Okay, So first for white. So white will always come, I mean, it will start from the first rank. First rank, second rank is for white. Okay. And eighth rank, seventh rank is for black. So remember that. That is how we arrange. Okay. So you take this rook. Then take the knights. Then take the bishops and place it. Okay. Then take the white queen and put it on the light square. Then this place which is left is for the king. And then you put all the 8 pawns. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. Okay. Same way here. First you have to put the rooks. Then you have to put the knights. Then you will put the bishop, both the bishops, and then this black queen will come on the dark square, and then this place is for the king, and then 8 pawns. Okay, so I'll quickly ask you some questions. Okay, and I give this as homework. Okay, so that you can practice arranging the chessboard. Okay. Starts with Aldrin, right? Okay. Aldrin, which one will you put here? Here.
Rook, ma'am.
Okay, white rook or black rook?
White rook.
Okay. Where will you put one more white rook? Name the square.
Right.
In the box.
Light.
Okay, light square, but it has a name, right?
White.
H1.
So the name of the square, yeah, tell.
H1.
Very good. Okay, next. Anirudh,
Ma'am.
what will come after the rook? Which piece? So
Knight, ma'am.
okay, where will the other knight come? White knight.
G1, ma'am.
Very good. G1. Super. Be on mute. Next, Isha.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will come here on C1?
The bishop will come on C1, ma'am.
And one more bishop, one more white bishop.
The another bishop will come in F1, ma'am.
Very good. Then Leksha. So where should you put the queen? Which square? There are 2 squares here. Where should you put the queen?
Ma'am, on the light square, we should put the queen.
Okay, so what is the square's name?
D file, ma'am.
D file. Okay, which rank?
First rank, ma'am.
So how do you call it? D1. Okay, so queen will come on D1. Okay, so now you tell me, where should you put the king? Should you put it here?
Ma'am, we should put on the dark square on E1, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay, now next. Piyush, how many pawns are there for white? You can count and tell.
8 points, ma'am.
8 pawns. So where will all those 8 pawns come?
Second rank, ma'am.
Very good. So if you have to tell it easily, it is second rank. Okay. So now next. Pooja, are you back? Pooja, can you unmute and speak? Okay, where will the black rook come? So which square? Name the square.
Ma'am, I cannot see the video.
Okay, then you be on mute. I will try to. Okay. Shanvika, so where will the black rook come?
A8.
Another black rook.
H1.
H8. Okay. This is H8. Okay. Be on mute. Now next Shravan has to answer this. Just observe this carefully. I will ask you a question.
Black.
Shravan, did I arrange it correctly or not? Shravan,
Ma'am, correctly, ma'am.
check again and tell if it is correct or wrong. I mean the black side here.
No, ma'am.
8th rank, is it arranged correctly or no? Right or wrong? You tell right or wrong.
Wrong, ma'am.
Why wrong?
Ma'am.
Hmm.
King, ma'am.
So who should come on D8?
Queen is
Queen should come on D8 and then king will be here. So what is the rule? Okay, be on mute. So the rule is you put the black queen on the dark square. Very good, super. And then we arrange pawns here. Okay, so that is for today. I will send you some link, okay, and then you can click on that, but I won't give it today. So I'll be giving it today's Friday. I'll give it tomorrow, Saturday. So tomorrow I will give a link. Tomorrow evening I will give, or at night I will give, so that you can do it on Sunday or Monday before Wednesday's class. You can finish it. Okay, just to check if you remember whatever you learned today. Okay, so my seniors, they always say don't give the homework on the same day, because we have 1 week kind of gap, right? So some days in between. So if I give you homework in between, then you can make sure you remember whatever you learned, and then you do the homework, and then you send it to me. Bye.
Thank
Bye,
you,
everyone.
ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Bye.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.